हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम पढ़ेंगे ग्रेड 8 की इंग्लिश यूनिट नंबर 1 टॉलरेंस ऑफ द रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम। इसके सवाल जवाब हम करेंगे। तो चलिए आइए शुरू करते हैं। सवाल नंबर 1 है, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय टॉलरेंस? टॉलरेंस मीन्स टू bear pain and hardships with patience. Question number 2 है, give an example of tolerance from the life of the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The answer is the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam forgave those who murdered his cousin Ibn Rabia. Question number 3, how did the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam respond to the ill treatment of the people of Taif? The answer is the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, no, but I hope that Allah will let them beget children who will worship Allah alone and will worship none beside him. Question number 4 है, what did Hazrat Jibrail ask the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was ill-treated by the people of Taif? The answer is Hazrat Jibrail alayhi salam asked the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Allah has heard your people's saying to you and what they have replied back to you. Allah has sent the angel so that you may order him to do whatever you wish to these people. Question number 5 is, how did the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam deal with his enemies at the conquest of Makkah Mukarramah? The answer is Abu Sufyan was the worst enemy of Islam before he became Muslim. At the conquest of Makkah, the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam not only forgave him but also honored amnesty for those who took refuge in his house. Question number 6, what did Hazrat Anas bin Malik Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu say about the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam? The answer is Hazrat Anas bin Malik said, I served the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam of Allah for 10 years. By Allah, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam never objected to anything I said or did. Question number 7, what did the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam say about revenge in his last address? Answer is, in his last address, the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, revenge for bloodshed as was the custom in the days of ignorance before Islam is forbidden. I forgive those who murdered my cousin Ibn Rabia. तो ये थी आज की वीडियो। अगर आपको अच्छी लगी है तो इसे लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर दें और इसका नेक्स्ट पार्ट देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लें। अगले वीडियो तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।